on that race, it would have been restarting with our man that has just won the title. Third was all he needed to do, because thanks to Dean and Damo.
I had no red grip, and I just made sure I bring it back home safe. I could see what was going on ahead of me, and Damo was pretty aggressive and come through last, and he looked fast, so he got through and took the lead, and I just knew what I had to do and bring it home.
Finished third and there was a big gap behind me. So yeah, I rang home third and that was enough to take the championship by a point, so I'll take it.
So holiday for you now, or you're off overseas?
I'm trying to back to work on Tuesday, but yeah, hopefully got something lined up for overseas. Not as long as I was away for last year, but we'll see. I'm enjoying racing here for now.
Congratulations and celebrate wisely.
Will do, thank you.
But you happy with where you ended up?
Well, it's racing, you know. I knew it was going to be a tough one. Miss out by 1 point. It's always a tough pill to swallow, but I mean, I got a good pace. I think I broke my old lap record in their last race.
Third for Yamaha. We've had such an up and down season. It's nice to get a win today, and yeah, hopefully we can stay on a similar bike next year, and we'll go for it again. So.